Meaning of Hilaire Belloc.
Hilaire Belloc.
Hilaire Belloc.
Hilaire Belloc.
Hilaire Belloc. Hilaire Belloc was a prolific Anglo-French writer and historian who lived in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. He is best known for his literary works, which include poetry, essays, novels, and travel books. Belloc's writing was marked by his wit, erudition, and a deep love for rural life and the English countryside. His most famous works include The Path to Rome, Cautionary Tales for Children, and The Four Men. Belloc's legacy has endured into the modern day, as his work continues to be studied and appreciated by students of literature and history alike.